Iran has begun a six-day state funeral ceremony for its late Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Thousands of mourners, senior clerics, government officials and foreign dignitaries have gathered in Tehran to pay their final respects. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei was killed on February 28 during coordinated US and Israeli strikes on Iran, an event that triggered a major regional conflict. His death marked the end of a 37-year-old tenure as Iran's supreme leader. His coffin was placed in state inside Tehran's Grand Mosalla prayer complex, where mourners filed past to offer prayers and condolences. The funeral procession is expected to continue across several holy cities before the final burial. The six-day funeral ceremony for the late Iranian leader will commence in Tehran today. Khamenei's body will be placed in state at the Grand Mosalla prayer complex for public viewing, followed by a major procession through the streets of Tehran on Monday. On July 7, the funeral procession will move to the holy city of Qom, located about 140 kilometers southwest of Tehran. Qom is Iran's foremost center of Shia Islamic scholarship. On July 8, the procession will travel to the historic holy cities of Nazaf and Karbala in the neighboring Iraq. On July 9, Ali Khamenei will be laid to rest at the Imam Reza Shrine in Mashhad, his hometown. Officials estimate that between 15 and 20 million mourners could participate in ceremonies held over the next 6 days. Delegations from nearly 90 countries are expected to attend. Among those participating are Russia Security Council Deputy Chairman Dmitry Medvedev, Chinese National People's Congress Deputy Head He Wei, Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Iraqi President Nizar Ahmadi, and Tajik President Rahmon. An Indian delegation is also expected to participate, including Bihar Governor Syed Ata Hasan, Minister of State for External Affairs Pavitra Margarita, former External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid, Congress leaders Pawan Khera, PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, and Aga Syed Hassan. Iran has paused the peace negotiations with the United States in view of the Ali Khamenei's funeral ceremony over the next 6 days, making it one of the most closely watched global events. According to Qatari mediators, the talks between the two sides will resume on July 9. The day funeral ceremonies are expected to conclude with the final burial in Mashhad, bringing a close one of the largest state mourning events. Visuals on your screen right now of the funeral ceremony, and according to mediators, the talks between the two sides will resume after July 9th. After the funeral, a day funeral ceremonies are expected to conclude with the final burial in Mashhad, which is the hometown of Ali Khamenei, bringing a close to the end of the largest state mourning event in Iran. Iran has also paused the peace negotiations with the United States in view of the Ali Khamenei's funeral ceremony over the next 6 days, making it one of the most closely watched global events of this year. And from India, an Indian delegation is also expected to participate, including Bihar Governor, Minister of State for External Affairs Salman Khurshid. Even Congress leaders are going there. Pawan Khera and PDP President Mehbooba Mufti and Aga Syed Hassan will be present at Ali Khamenei's funeral ceremony. Among those participating are Russia Security Council Deputy Chair Dmitry Medvedev, Chinese National People's Congress Deputy Head He Wei, Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Iraqi President Nizar, and Tajik President as well. Delegations from nearly 90 countries are expected to attend Ali Khamenei's funeral. Officials estimate that between 15 to 20 million mourners could participate in the ceremony held over 6 days, which will happen across Iran in different cities. On July 9, Ali Khamenei will be laid to rest at the Imam Reza Shrine in Mashhad in his hometown.